Hello there, everybody. My name is Matthijs. Welcome to a tutorial of how to make a house security system. So, this let's say you're being chased by someone or like a mob, and you protect yourself. So what you do is you first flick this lever. This will raise these dispensers, so they are up there, ready to shoot. And you flick on this one, and they start spitting out whatever inside of them. Alright, so what you need to first do is make a square of 9 blocks wide and 9 blocks long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we need one more block here. Alright, so now we'll raise this by 2. Just add another row of blocks to this. Alright, so this is where the redstone is going to be. Alright, so let's go to the corner of this area. I'm going to place over here 2 sticky pistons with 2 dispensers on top of them. Like this. Alright, so now we're going to put 2 redstone like that. As you can see, they are connected to the sticky pistons and the line of redstone. Then all we need to do is place a redstone repeater, redstone dust, and a staircase. Block right here too. This one can be whatever block of your house is going to be. And a lever. So let's test this out. As you can see, when I flick this lever, it will push the dispensers upwards and will allow them to be ready to shoot. Alright. So now what we're going to do, we're going to place this a observer there and a C of redstone, the letter C of redstone, half circle around the observer, like that. Now what you do, you will place 4 blocks over here, then 4 more blocks, and 2 blocks here. Then go to these blocks, and you're gonna put 2 repeaters on top of them. 2 redstone dust, 1 redstone, and then 1 redstone here. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put 2 blocks here, 2 blocks there, and redstone dust. Okay, so now you can see the redstone right there is flickering because this is a redstone clock, so it makes this power it powers the whole thing repeatedly. So now as you can see, even though like the clock is powered, it's not really shooting arrows, because what we need to do is raise the observers, not the observers, dispensers. And that's because these repeaters are actually, they're supposed to be here. They're supposed to be like on here. They're supposed to be here. So if we put yeah, see, now it's firing. Just to make things clear. Alright, so now go ahead and build your house around this. Make sure that whatever block you're using is not gonna be, don't put a block here, because that will disconnect the redstone. See? It's supposed to be like this. Don't put it on this block, or this one, or here. Alright, so let's build a small house, just to demonstrate how this works. By the way, you want to leave two air blocks on top of the dispensers. Otherwise, this will happen. Yeah, and you don't want that to happen. It will ruin your house, basically. So make sure you leave two empty blocks above the dispensers. Oh, don't put a block here either, because you can see like this redstone there. Alright, so make sure you leave this a spot for, you can put like this lever here, so you can control the redstone from here. Sorry. Alright, let's go ahead and test it. Alright, so I've loaded the machine with arrows. By the machine, I mean like the dispensers. Alright, so let's pretend that someone is chasing you or a creeper is following you and you want to get rid of him. First of all, you want to flick this lever right here and then flick this one. Okay, so make sure you don't have your lever right here, because it will not it will power this redstone underneath the observer, underneath the redstone right here where the observer is, and it will shut down like the clock. So make sure your redstone is like your lever is like right here. Okay, so now it's actually working. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. If you like this, leave a dislike. If you have any problems with this, leave them down in the comments. I'll be sure to try to fix them. I'll see you guys next one.